Hello lovelies, welcome to Lolly Queen Zone. If you are new to this channel, you are welcome and kindly subscribe because you don't want to miss any food or health updates. If you're a returning viewer, I love you so very much. This video is sponsored by Dignified Annie, and as the title says, we are making homemade apple jam. You can use the same steps for any other fruit jam you'll be making. So this is how much of each ingredient that I used. I want to say that the honey was completely optional and it was for additional health benefits, and you can also increase or decrease any of the ingredients to your preference. You want to wash and cut your apples and chop them into small pieces and measure out your ingredients. Go ahead and mix your sugar and apples together and then add your lemon juice. Now you have to let the apples rest for 15 to 30 minutes before you move on to the next phase. Blend the apples for a few seconds. Again, this is optional, but it allows your jam to cook faster, and I didn't want to waste a lot of time. In a saucepan on fire, pour in your apple puree and honey. And continue to stir. You don't want it to burn, so please don't leave it unattended to. Do a plate test to be sure it is ready. You put the plate in the fridge for some minutes to chill, then you put a drop of the jam on it and run your fingers through it. This will let you know how stable your jam will become once cooled. When you run your fingers through it, the jam should stay in place and not ruin the line. You're supposed to allow this to completely cool down before you use it. But I shot this video around 1 a.m. and I was feeling so sleepy. But this is how thick it became when I left it in the fridge, completely cool down. Give this recipe a try and let me know how much you liked it. If you really enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Please share and comment. Thank you. See you another day. Stay blessed, stay awesome, stay cool. God be with you. Bye.